Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making homemade creamy avocado lime dressing. This quick and easy dressing is free of seed oils and it mixes up in your blender in just a few minutes. So skip the store-bought dressing and make this instead. Grab your ingredients and let's go. So we just need a few simple ingredients to make this creamy avocado lime dressing. So we're going to need some extra virgin olive oil, apple cider vinegar, 1 lime, salt and pepper, a little bit of cilantro, and an avocado. And we're also going to need a blender because this is how we're going to make it. So first we're going to add in our extra virgin olive oil. Then our water. Then our apple cider vinegar. Then we're going to add in 1 large avocado. Then 2 tablespoons of cilantro. Next, we're going to add in the juice of 1 lime. And if you wanted a little bit more zesty, you can add in a little bit of the lime zest as well. But if you wanted a little bit more creamy base, then I would skip the lime zest. Then we're going to add in half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of pepper. Now we're going to blend on high until smooth and creamy. So you guys can feel free to adjust the thickness. If you want a little bit thinner, feel free to add in a little bit more water. Now I just like to transfer this to a mason jar for storage. And now we have homemade creamy avocado lime dressing. This is perfect for making salads with, but it's also delicious on sandwiches, wraps, and even as a dip for veggies. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more easy recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.